How to make easy roasted Zaatar chicken. First things first, let's preheat our oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Next, let's melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a small pan. Then, we add 2 tablespoons of Zaatar. So once it melted, set aside. Next, place your chicken in a baking dish and then use your fingers to loosen the skin of the chicken. Then, it's time to brush the Zaatar directly to the meat. After that, brush Zaatar all over the chicken. Now it's time to cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, lower temperature to 165 degrees Celsius and cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, our chicken Zaatar is cooked. Now it's time to carve our chicken into serving pieces. And serve it with some lemon wedges. And then we're done. Thank you for watching.